show you 0 to 60. If you press the left button, it will show you peak. So the peak 0 to 60, your peak. So you can do a number of runs and it will show you fastest. Peak battery, AFR is air fuel ratio. So if I go back around to your boost, for example, this will show you in a scale. Can change the scale, it will show you 0.5 for the peak of the boost. There's about 3 different scales into it. In the box there's like a digital card, you put it onto YouTube and it'll basically show you how to adjust the different settings on it. Coolant, which is quite interesting to know. So peak of it goes 195, so it's dropping down because it's stationary. Oil temp, ignition, EGT, exhaust gas temp that is. Throttle position, so it's a 13% throttle now. And of course that will show you peak, so you use 62% of throttle. The most common one is the shift light. So you can see it sitting there idling at 6,600, 660. It shows your peak was 2,995. Yeah. But of course when you're revving it, see the bar across here? Yeah. That will, the higher we go the rev range, it will get to a point and start flashing back at you. Yeah. So they're really good. And of course your power riser's all in there. Yeah. But yeah, it works good as gold, but you can really feel it pull, can't you? Yeah. What do you want to talk about?
Michael.
Hi.
Today's Saturday.
Yes, it's 1:30 already. We've been here since 8:30.
Yes. What have we had in today?
Black M2 in, Vorsiner kit. He was in for Remus Powerzier, more power, and P3 digital gate. Yes. Then we had a brand new, well, done 800 miles, Long Beach Blue, M2 in for springs and spacers. He's coming back for Remus very soon. We just had Andy Clark in with his M1355i for the Motech springs and spacers and a pipe across filter. We've got a noisy next door neighbour.
I tell you what, I know people like hate on the old M badges thing, but that M Performance sticker like a window banner was cool AF.
He uses it for tracks, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
I did like it, yeah. I thought it was pretty damn good, pretty cool, and he had like the big carbon spoiler and... Then we're coming back for brakes.
Brakes, yeah, Tarox. That'd be nice. Yeah, same setup as what Joe's got. So Tarox discs, EBC pads, and braided lines. Probably doing it in blue as well.
Nice.
That's good.
After this, what's in next?
Golf GTI for Remus rear box delete, and then we get to go home. To get some time off. Yay! Okay. And then have you spoke about this?
I have, but I'm not going to show them too much.
Ah, what did you think of it?
I think it's cool. I think it looks cool. I haven't driven it any up the road at all, but it looks cool. Looks like that.
Thanks everybody. Like, share, subscribe, and whatever else.